while changing the fork oil on my Vstrom, this happens. I've just taken the mudguard off my Vstrom, and one of the Allen screws which is holding the mudguard on snaps off. Even after I've warmed it up and a bit of WD, it snapped. Damn it. What I would normally do in a situation like this is to get the grinder, clean it up a bit and see if I can weld a nut on top. Only problem is there's not a lot of studs sticking through, so it might not be enough to weld. Right, here goes. Wish me luck. So what I'm doing, I'm starting on the stud and welding it to the nut in a circular motion. It won't stick to the alley, so there's no fear of that. Another thing about this little trick, the heat from the welding heats up the alley, makes it a little bit easier, but it's not going to work in this case. Not enough to weld to. Drill it out and tap it now. I might have to tap it slightly larger size. See, so we drilled it out a little bit bigger to suit an M8. That's that job done. Now back to changing the fork oil. Thanks for watching.